Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our teammates group number 4, which is have number 1 Nurul Najwa binti Muhammad Zulisa 15 GRM 22F1011. Number 2 Tanusha anak perempuan Tamil Chirvan 15 DRM 22F1037. Number 3 Muhammad Fadli Afan bin Muhammad Sayuti 15 DRM 21F2015. Number 4 Nurayuni Atirah binti Abdullah 15 DRM 22F1029. The last one Fatihah Ahlia binti Muhammad Helmi 15 DRM 22F1021. Discuss the differences between economy of scale and diseconomy of scale. Definition: economy of scale is the concept suggesting that a business receives an advantage in the cost per product produced as its output of the product increase. Another definition: economy scale is the concept referring to a business even when the price of an item or product decreases as the production of the same item or product increases. Definition of this economy of scale is when each produced item costs more and more as a business continues to grow and produce more. Definition: this economy of scale is the inverse of economy of scale, is where price on item or product increases as output of the same item or product decreases. Both concepts are commonly used in the business world to describe the status of production of an item or product. This concept can also be used to conduct research into reasons why efficiency is being maximized in certain areas of a business or why efficiency is lacking in other areas of a business. Factor economy of scale: the first one, business buy in bulk for needed supplies. Number 2, inflation production. Number 3, cutting wasteful spending. And the last one, reduce marketing campaign. Factor discrimination of scale is number 1, poor leadership or management. Number 2, combination issue across the company. Number 3, motivation and moral has decreased as expansion can be overwhelming. And the last one, change can cause confusion if there are not solid processes put in place. Example of economy of scale is expansion of a product line and increase in the production may allow a company to save money to purchasing material in bulk. When a business item to expand is at more risks, costs and responsibilities to its existing system, sometimes contributing to this economy of scale. To achieve an economy of scale, companies need to adjust to this increase in output in ways they drive the cost of a product down. Example of this economy of scale is if item of 100 typewriter in the switching to personal computer in the coming year, it will take a long time to properly introduce and train their employees on the concept of personal computer. This economy of scale examples are commonly found in the business that are growing and introduce new system. New technology being introduced to a company that has not used the piece of technology can take a lot of time in the training and installation can slow down business.
Internal economy of scale has 4 parts. First, labor specialization. Second, efficient manager and administrative tasks. 3, financial economies. And lastly, efficiency of equipment usage. First, we will start labor specialism. Film practice large-scale production. The film will be able to implement division of work and specialization of labor. Secondly, efficiency of managerial and administrative tasks. Firms are able to efficiently manage an increased number of employees and material in line. Third, financial economy. Firms can obtain loan interest rate and enjoy longer loan period compared to smaller firms. Lastly, efficiency of equipment usage. Firms can increase efficiency through efficient use of production input, for example, by implementing specialization of using overheads in firm.
Selamat sejahtera, nama saya Tanusha Taman Selvan, nombor kad matrik 15-DRM22F1037. External economics of scale refer to factors that are beyond the control of an individual firm but occur within the industry and lead to a cost benefit. Location and centralization economies. When firms that produce that same type of product or different products are located in the same area, the firms can provide services for each other. Example, if a bank and tire factory are located in the same place, same area, the tire factory can use the banking facilities provided by the nearby bank. Integration economics. There are usually several related industries located in the same industrial area. Example, in the car industry, there are several related industries such as the tire, paint, and car accessory industries. Next, information technology economics. The success of research and development activities of firms and industry will result in other firms in the same industry being able to also get benefit from innovation such as the invention of modern production techniques. Lastly, market economics. The economic progress of a country due to the growth of large firms will influence the marketing of goods in country. Increased customer income will increase demand between the country and thus increase exports of locally produced goods. Next, this economics of scale refer to a firm's decline in efficiency caused by expansion external to the firms or industry, resulting in increased production costs within the industry. Firstly, reduce factors of production. A decrease in labor and high cost of raw materials will cause an increase in labor costs and average cost of firms. An increase in the number of firms in an industrial area will result in competition between firms for raw materials. Finally, problems of securities in the market will occur. Settlement difficulties. Difficulty for employees to find a place to live due to overpopulation in industrial areas will cause an increase in transportation costs. Indirectly, this will increase the production costs of firms in the industrial area. Thirdly, social costs. Overpopulation in industrial areas will result in increased land price, overpopulation, traffic congestions, and environmental population.
Discuss the relationship between economies of scale and diseconomies of scale to a long-run production cost curve. Economies of scale will lower a firm's average cost when production is increased. An increasing return to scale
occurs during this period when the ratio of increase in output is much higher than the ratio of increase in all inputs. Maksudnya, skala ekonomi akan turunkan kos purata firma bila pengeluaran barang meningkat. Pulangan yang meningkat kepada skala berlaku dalam tempoh ini bila nisbah peningkatan dalam output lebih tinggi daripada nisbah peningkatan dalam semua input.
These economies of scale will increase a firm average cost when production increase and decrease. Return to scale occurs where LAC is increasing. Maksudnya, this economy of scale akan meningkatkan purata kos firma apabila pengeluaran meningkat dan penurunan pulangan kepada skala berlaku di mana LAC akan meningkat.